What is up, you guys? I hope you guys are doing great. I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm doing a mic review from a beatboxer's perspective. So in this video I'm doing a mic review of the Maono A04 USB condenser microphone. Firstly, this microphone is pretty cheap. The last time I checked it on Amazon, it was sold for around 4,999 Indian rupees. Secondly, it is a USB condenser microphone. It's very easy to use because it's just plug and play. Third, I think it's a good microphone. You're gonna find out very soon. So this microphone comes with a table clamp stand. As you can see, it comes with a shock mount. It comes with a windscreen and also a pop filter, which I'm not using at the moment because you won't be able to see my face. As I'm speaking, you already know how this microphone sounds, right? Let's just say I'm gonna move far away from this microphone or move very close to this microphone to have the proximity effect. So we already know how it sounds when you're speaking into it. Let's see how it sounds when you're beatboxing into it. So what's my take on this microphone? I think this microphone sounds pretty good considering the price point. It's just available for 4,999 rupees right now, Indian rupees. If you ask me how much I bought this for, I bought it for 2,999 Indian rupees. I think there was a sale on Amazon recently, so I bought it on discount. They were giving like 50% off. Amazon usually gives a lot of discount on products like these, so you should keep checking their website for such discounts. If you consider the price point, 2,999 Indian rupees, I think this is probably the best microphone that you can get. For 2,999, you're getting a microphone, the stand, pop filter, and even the windscreen. I think this is the best deal you can get on Amazon. And even if you consider 4,999, that is 5k Indian rupees, I think even that's worth it, because for 5k, what other products will you get? You'll probably get the Samsung Go mic, which picks up a lot of noise, which is like a desk microphone. You'll get the Blue Snowball Ice, and as far as I've read the reviews, I've not tested the Blue Snowball Ice personally, but I've read a lot of reviews and I've heard the audio quality provided by a lot of YouTubers. I think this does a better job. Now, before starting this video, let me tell you that it is around 2 a.m. at night. I like to record my videos at night because my family members keep on speaking over the phone during the day. It's barely impossible to record a video. Plus, on top of that, I live absolutely near the main road. The cars are always honking, so it's like not possible for me to record videos during the day. Also, the fan in the next room is turned on. It's like a stand fan and it makes a lot of noise. Like, it makes a lot of noise.
Hey guys, my name is Fuchi. I'm all the way from Kolkata and this video is for Debayan Mondol. Thanks for having me. So here it goes. The device that I'm using is Solo Soundtronics, which is a dynamic mic, and Behringer UMC22, that is my audio interface. And I don't know the quality of the cable. It's $500. excellent wire hai, kharid lo. And a stand. So here it goes. The fan is turned on. Abhi gain kitne mein? I can't see actually. It's like 6. Gain is on 6. So here it goes. And now the fan is turned off. So here it goes. So yeah, freestyle tha. Don't judge me. Anyway, thanks Debayan for having me and peace out.
As you guys can see, Fuchi is an amazing beatboxer. He has his own YouTube channel. I'll provide the link to his channel in the description below. You guys should definitely check out his channel and all the videos he has been uploading, and subscribe to his channel for more support. Okay, so we have come to the end of this video. If you have watched this video till this part, do not forget to hit the like button. That would help me a lot. And if you guys have not subscribed to my channel yet, you can go subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna see you guys next time.